Today I'm excited to show you what's new in Naviline 18.2. The new Naviline operates very similar to previous versions, but we've added a few new functions to improve your user experience. Let's take a look at what's new. Naviline 18.2 is now browser-based, cloud-ready, and no longer requires the Naviline server or Java applets to log in. Simply navigate to the URL and enter in your login information. Naviline 18.2 is also mobile-friendly, so you can take it with you on your favorite mobile device, including iPad, iPhone, and Android devices. Let's jump into the Naviline desktop. At the top of the screen, you'll see a banner bar. As you move through the different pages, you'll notice the banner bar will display the name of the application you're currently in. In this case, the banner says My Favorites, because that's the default page when you first log into Naviline. Under the My Favorites tab, you'll find shortcuts to your preferred applications. Over to the right, you'll notice a User menu. The User menu gives you access to your messages, outputs, jobs, and the command line. Next to that, you'll see a Quick Link bar. The Quick Link bar is a search tool used to explore content in all applications. I'll go ahead and type in the word Customer and open the Customer at a Glance screen. From here you can conduct a search by any of the criteria shown. You'll also see the Jump To field appear frequently throughout the applications. The Jump To field is equivalent to the Go To field you may have seen in previous versions of Naviline. You can use this field to jump directly to a specific item in your search results. You can either click Select and press Enter, or click OK to navigate to the At a Glance screen for this customer. You'll notice the navigation menu remains fixed on the left side of the screen throughout the various applications. Below the navigation menu, you'll see a list of functions. You can hover over each of these functions to view function keys. You'll also notice a small eye icon. The eye icon will take the user to the detail information page for that area. You can also click on the double arrow icon to zoom in and expand the window to take a closer look at that information. At the bottom of the page, you'll see a list of functions. These functions were found on the left side of the window in previous versions of Naviline. They're now available as tabs in Naviline 18.2. To compare, let's take a look at the Group Maintenance function in Naviline 18.2 versus previous versions of Naviline. Previously, you may have accessed Group Maintenance by navigating to Financial Systems, then GMBA, Transaction Entry menu, and finally Group Maintenance. Or, if you are operating on the AS400, this is what you may have seen previously in Group Maintenance. In Naviline 18.2, you'll simply navigate to Fiscal Services, then GMBA, and this is what Group Maintenance looks like in the new HTML5 interface. That concludes what's new in Naviline 18.2. Thanks for watching.